A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Flag. Indian national flag. G. Giraffe. H. Horse. I. Ice cream. J. Jug. K. Key. L. Lion. M. Mango. N. Nas. O. Orange. P. Parrot. Q. Queen. R. Rose. S. Sheep. T. Tiger. U. Umbrella. V. Vegetables. W. Watch. X. Xmas tree. Y. Yak. Z. Zebra. A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Flag. Indian national flag. G. Giraffe. H. Horse. I. Ice cream. J. Jug. K. Key. L. Lion. M. Mango. N. Nas. O. Orange. P. Parrot. Q, queen. R, rose. S, sheep. T, tiger. U, umbrella. V, vegetables. W, watch. X, Xmas tree. Y, yak. Z, zebra. Let's sing. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for flag, G for giraffe, H for horse, I for ice cream, Z for jug, K for key, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for vegetables, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for flag, G for giraffe, H for horse, I for ice cream, Z for jug, K for key, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for vegetables, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Thank you.